it's Katherine. I hope you guys are all doing well, and today I'm coming to you with a chocolate chip oatmeal cookie recipe. The first ingredient you're going to want to add to your stand mixer is 1 cup of vegetable shortening. I use Crisco. Next, you're going to want to add 1 cup of white granulated sugar. Next, add 1 cup of brown sugar. Allow the shortening and the sugar to combine together until smooth. And here I'm just scraping down the bowl, making sure everything will get incorporated. Now you're going to add 2 room temperature eggs, one at a time. Now just let the eggs fully combine with everything else. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then turn the mixer back on and allow to combine. The next ingredient is some oatmeal, and you're going to need 3 cups of rolled oats, or whatever type of oats you have. I use quick oats, but the other oats work way better. Now you're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. The final ingredient that we're going to be adding is 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Lastly, you're going to want to turn your stand mixer on one more time and let the dough fully combine. Since these cookies are oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, we're going to be adding 3/4 cup of chocolate chips at the end, and then let that combine. With your oven preheated to 350 degrees, you're going to want to roll out your cookie doughs into about 3/4 of an inch size balls, maybe a little bit smaller. They should be a little bit smaller than a golf ball size. And then I just pressed mine down, and then they kind of baked a little bit thicker, which was really nice. Once you have finished with all your cookie dough balls and pressed them down, you're going to want to place them in the oven at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes, and every oven is different, or until golden brown.